comprehensive welder for sheet metal comparison. Welding sheet metal is a critical skill for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, requiring precision, control, and the right equipment. Choosing the right welder can make the difference between a smooth, professional finish and a frustrating experience. In this article, we compare 5 of the most popular welders for sheet metal, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium models. To provide an accurate and detailed comparison, we tested these products on.
List No. The Yes Welder Flux 135 Pro is a versatile 3-in-1 machine that supports gasless flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. Its 135 amp output makes it capable of handling mild steel up to 2/5 inch thick, and the digital display ensures precise control. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, it is a portable option for a range of applications. The inclusion of E71T GS.030, flux core wire, and robust safety features like overheat and overcurrent protection further enhance its appeal. In testing, the Yes Welder impressed with its smooth arc and adjustable synergic control, which automatically matches the voltage to the wire feeding speed. It performed well on mild steel, producing clean welds with minimal spatter. However, its performance on thicker materials was less consistent, and the additional TIG torch is sold separately, adding to the cost. This model is ideal for beginners and intermediate users who need a portable, multi-process welder for light to medium-duty projects.
List number. The Lincoln Electric FC90 is a compact, user-friendly flux core welder designed for small welding jobs. With a 90 amp output and lightweight inverter design, this welder is ideal for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. It features a convenient shoulder strap for portability and an easy-to-use control interface for fine-tuning welding parameters. The automatic thermal protector ensures safe operation by shutting off the machine when it overheats. During testing, the FC90 delivered smooth and consistent welds on thin sheet metal, making it a reliable choice for home repairs and light-duty projects. However, its limited power output of 90 amps restricts its use to thinner materials, and it lacks the versatility of multi-process welders. This model is best suited for beginners who prioritize portability and simplicity over advanced features.
List 3. The Yes Right 120 amp portable arc welder is a compact, handheld solution for small-scale welding tasks. Weighing just 3.9 pounds, it is one of the lightest welders on the market. Designed for convenience, it supports 1/16 to 1/8 welding rods and features IGBT inverter technology for improved energy efficiency and arc stability. The included accessories, such as welding rods, a ground wire, and a toolbox, make it a complete starter kit for beginners. In use, the Yes Right welder was easy to handle and delivered a stable arc with minimal spatter. Its lightweight design made it particularly useful for working at heights or in tight spaces. However, its limited power output and rod compatibility make it less suitable for heavy-duty tasks. This welder is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists who need a portable, easy-to-use machine for light repairs and projects. List 4. The Hi-Zone 100A MIG welder is a premium gasless flux core machine designed for portability and ease of use. Its ergonomic handle and compact dimensions make it comfortable to operate, while the 100 amp output is sufficient for welding mild steel up to 1/8 inch thick. The package includes a range of accessories, such as flux core wire, contact tips, and a brush, making it ready to use out of the box. In our tests, the Hi-Zone welder produced clean and consistent welds on mild steel, with a smooth wire feed and minimal spatter.
Its safety features, including overcurrent and overheating protection, provide peace of mind during operation. However, the lack of aluminum welding capability and its higher price point may deter some users.
This model is best suited for intermediate users who need a reliable and portable welder for small to medium-sized projects. List number 5. The HG Navega Super Mini Stick Welder is a budget-friendly option that offers surprising value for its price. With a 250 amp output and support for a wide range of welding rods, this machine is suitable for welding carbon steel and other metals. Its compact design, adjustable shoulder strap, and lightweight build make it highly portable. The package includes 10 welding rods, gloves, and other accessories, providing excellent value for beginners. Despite its low price, the HG Navega welder performed admirably in our tests, delivering stable arcs and smooth welds on thin materials. However, its build quality and long-term durability are less robust compared to higher-end models. This welder is an excellent choice for beginners and occasional users who need a portable, affordable machine for light-duty tasks.